Today I'm sad, very sad, but I want to materialize my sadness into art. If my artwork reflects just 1% of my grief and I feel better towards the end, it will be a successful experiment. Turning sadness into art can be a deeply personal and therapeutic process. Here are 5 steps that might help you materialize your feelings into art. Number 1. Reflection and understanding. Spend some time reflecting on your feeling and sadness. Try to understand what is causing it and how it manifests in your emotions. Number 2. Choose your medium. Decide what form of art you want to create. Painting, writing, music, sculpture, and so on. Choose something that resonates with you and feels natural. Number 3. Channel your emotions. Use your chosen medium to express your emotions. Let the sadness guide your creativity. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to feel deeply as you create. Number 4. Reflect on your art. After creating your art, take some time to reflect on what you have made and how it reflects your feelings of sadness. This can deepen your understanding of your emotions. Number 5. Dump and move on. It's very important to dump your feelings onto paper and move on to the next, cause the show must go on. Now let's see what I can do with my sadness. So what do you think? 1% or